We discuss about Samsung Galaxy J5 Edge 2018. Samsung Galaxy J5 Edge 2018 Android smartphone running is Android operating system version 7.0 serial of Nougat. This device has Exynos 7878 octa chipset based on Cortex-A53 octa-core 1.8 GHz 64-bit processor. It provides a great experience with Mali T830 MP2 graphic processor unit. The 4GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage with built-in memory micro SD card slot in this device. Samsung Galaxy J5 Edge 2018 features 5.2 inches display touchscreen with FHD technology LCD. The device has a screen resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels with multi-touch and sensor. Samsung Galaxy J5 Edge 2018 comes a 13 megapixels camera with autofocus geotagging, and make better quality videos and images with LED flash on low light. The device make videos calling and videos sharing with 13MP front-facing camera. Samsung Galaxy J5 Edge 2018 is supported GSM network, Edge, GPRS, GPS, Bluetooth version of 4.2, micro USB version 2.1 with host, NFC Wi-Fi, with hotspot. The device comes a multimedia features stereo speakers, MP4, MP3 and Full HD supported player and Google Play, Facebook, Google+, Twitter, HTML, FM radio, image and video viewer and editor and Microsoft Office document viewer and editor, SMS, MMS, emails, iMail, pushmail and threading view text input. This phone is a Li-ion 3000 mAh battery. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, subscribe the channel for more upcoming review. Keep watching.